Okay, we have a very narrow window of opportunity to start the day in such a way that we can get done what we have to do today. I've been looking for this and that. And it's really good that I found these because I really need these for a video that's coming soon. I still have this? Okay, that looked like a lot less when it was on the shelf. Oh god, and there's more. They stay here. Right, before you think I'm in some sort of bondage thing, this is actually the belt and sporn for my kilt. Huh. I really do have the best girlfriend. I've got the best girlfriend for me in the world. She keeps me happy, she keeps me healthy, and she makes me kurkuma ingwer tea, which keeps me happy and healthy. It's not actually that I'm too tight on time today. It's just that, I think like a lot of people, we're home officing just now. Or well, I always home office because I'm a freelancer. But yeah, Yelka's home officing just now. She's got a little nook in the bedroom, so she's about to start work, so I need to get all this stuff out of the bedroom in here so I can pack it up. But right now, I am going to the gym because I'm not just wearing these tights for fun. Or maybe I'm wearing them for a little bit of fun. And not to worry, you're not going to get some cringy montage of me working out, because nobody wants to see a middle-aged man try to do a pull-up.
A little longer, 2 minutes later.
The fuck am I doing? It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm going to be driving in a second. Okay, this way till later. I just realised I've not explained any of this, right? Well, the thing is, I'm moving out. Or maybe a better way to put it is that we are moving out. And I don't mean Yelka and I. Yelka and I are staying put. But you and I, we're moving out. Where we've been for the past, 2 years? It's been my front room. It became like half living space, half studio. And then when Yelka moved in, because she's working from home as well, it became pretty much just a studio. And the whole apartment didn't really feel like a home. In 1 week, she's going to finish up work. And then a month or so later, the baby's going to come along. So I think it's very, very important that we start getting this place really feeling like a home. She's gonna break down the office that she's made up in the corner of the bedroom. And so we're gonna have to use this apartment as an apartment. It can't really just be a makeshift office studio anymore. And so I rented myself a studio. And that's gonna be not only the home for the channel, but it's also gonna give me a place to go and work the rest of the projects I've got going on. Fuck me, that's heavy. And that's only half of it. In fact, less than half of it. God, it's like a Russian doll of bags. And I think I'll probably need all of them. Okay, I think that was an intelligence test that I just failed. And this one is not any lighter. Okay, so that's the denim. Next up, camera equipment. It is really amazing to me how much gear you accumulate over the years. Like, really good, really useful stuff that you do need, and there's no substitute for having it when you don't have it. But 99% of the time, you definitely don't need it. I mean, for filming these vlogs, I use maximum 2 lenses, 1 camera body, and a set of mics. That's it. But as I said, it's like, there's no substitute for having something when you need it, obviously. So yeah, I have a lot of camera equipment. Huh. I really have zero idea what's in most of these bags. And I think I need to sort this stuff out a little bit. We are kind of getting there, slowly but surely. And the pile is getting bigger and bigger. I think I'm going to need more than a hire car. And I have to be kind of smart about this because I'm going to need some of this stuff over the next couple of days. So I don't want to pack it and forget where it was. Right, what do I need for the next couple of days? Okay, that actually stays. No, that comes with. Okay, the lights I don't want to need for the next... The lights I don't want to need for the next couple of days, so I'm going to pack them away so I'm not tempted. That I also don't think I'll need until next week. And anyway, where it's going, that's where I'll need it, so that can get packed too. You know what, I'm stalling. I'm just delaying this from the thing that I really don't want to do, which is go down to my basement. There's a couple of pieces of furniture down there that I'm going to need for the new studio, the old table and a clothing rail. And I've got a feeling that they're stored right at the back, and everything, and I mean everything, is going to have to come out for me to get to them. Shit. So it was as I feared. That's the clothing rail I need. And behind that, all wrapped up, is the table that I need. And in front of that is all of that stuff. You know, they say that Rome wasn't built in a day? Well, apparently me packing up all my shit and moving it to the new studio, that's not going to happen in a day either. Huh. Okay, it's 2 days later, but it's finally time. A little bit of an anticlimax, it's a screw top. Right, we're celebrating. Oh fuck, that's disgusting. Yeah, no, we can't celebrate with this. This is too nasty. And well, that didn't work. Okay, that's better. Still not great, but it's better. Okay, like I said, we're celebrating. We're celebrating because a few days ago, this happened. Which, I mean, yeah, I've been seeing the numbers creep up slowly but surely. It's quite a steady growth. But still, I remember when I got to 1,000, I remember when I got to 100 subscribers. Then I remember when I got to 1,000 subscribers. I don't remember when I got to 2,000 subscribers because that's when I had my long break and it just happened without me noticing it. But yeah, then it was 5,000. I was like, wow, okay, that's amazing. And now 10, which I know is minuscule. I know that's just really a tiny amount. But still, I think it's something that's worth celebrating, and it's worth noting and just saying thank you so much to all of you guys out there that did just hit that subscribe button. And if you've not hit that subscribe button, then do it now. But anyway, all of those guys that just hit the subscribe button and made this happen, it's been fantastic. This journey over the last couple of years, it started off as a bit of a distraction from what was just going on in the wider world when I had some time. And it's been really one of the most special and rewarding projects that I've ever undertaken. And I don't intend anytime soon to slow down with this. I hope to actually speed up with it, in fact. And it's just perfect timing that as we ticked over to 10,000 subscribers, then I got the new studio. That wasn't planned. The studio is something I've had in the back of my mind for a long time. But it's just nice that it worked out that way. Now this next bit is going to get a little bit mushy, as there is one subscriber in particular that I want to say a special thanks to. And that is my girlfriend, who's now my fiance. But yeah, Jelka, I just want to say thank you very much. I mean, it was a bit of a leap of faith when we first started dating that you were willing to get behind a 40, or I was 39 then, or was I 38? Anyway, a late 40s, late 30s man who said that he wanted to be a YouTuber. That was brave, honey, and I appreciate that. And thank you for all the love and kindness and support and patience that I know I promised to watch Germany's Next Top Model with you and I got distracted filming. All of that kind of patience, I appreciate it so much, and yeah, thank you very much. But that's kind of like begs the question. I mean, like 10,000 subscribers is a bit of a milestone. So it's like, what's next for the channel? And I've been giving that some thought, and the next is exactly what we've been doing up until now. It's just going to be in a bit of a different location. This whole moving thing is probably going to be a two-parter, and probably the unparking means it's going to be a three-parter, because I still haven't moved any of this shit. I've just kind of organized everything, and I have to find somebody to help me later on in the week doing that. So that's what's next for this channel, a lot of heavy lifting. Right, I'm just going to finish up here because the lighting's really bugging me, and I've already packed my lights, and my batteries are low, my mic batteries are low, and I apologize to all of you who tuned in expecting anything to do with denim and menswear. This is, I guess, the closest thing I've ever done to an actual vlog, and I enjoyed making it, actually. I'll see if any of you actually enjoyed watching it. But anyway, right, guys, cheers to all of you. Really, thank you so much again. And I hope you're all happy and healthy out there. Hope you're taking care of yourselves. Hope you're taking care of each other. And I'm going to see you in the next video. In the new studio, I hope.